ladies! In today's video, I'm going to show you the best way to properly use Promade fans. At LLBA, we pride ourselves to provide you with our signature Promade fans collection that comes in loose, extra large, and the ultra speed. So if you would like to see how to maximize your efficiency while lashing, please keep on watching. Those fans, the difference is that they in one box is like around 500 fans, so that means like we make like a lot in one, like from out of one box, and for some people like that they have the experience, it's good because we can organize them as we work, so it's very easy to use. Actually, at the beginning I didn't try, like I didn't believe on this, but I actually love them. I only use these ones in fact. For the ultra speed Promade fans is that we have like a lot of sizes, and they come like a lot of like already organized fans, but you have to use the silicone pad just because they don't have glue on the back of the strip, so we always have to use the silicone pad. You cannot just put it there. And then for the extra large, the Promade collection, the booklet, the good thing is that they come with the strip on the back, so that's amazing because you can put it in any lash style and you can like lash quickly, you know, because they're already organized, they have the glue, you don't have to do nothing. So they come in like one size for one book, or they come in different sizes for booklet, so it's your choice. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how to properly get the extensions out of each container, and then I'm gonna show you how to apply it. Okay, the extra large book collection comes like this. So for this one, the difference between these ones and this one is that this one comes with the strip comes with a stick, so you can apply it directly to the tile. The difference between this one and these ones are loose, so you have to have like a silicone pad. And for this one, you have, it's like a strip, but the strip doesn't have the sticky on the back of the strip, so you have to use the silicone pad as well. So you just get like your tweezers, and then we're just gonna strip one piece of the lash. So I'm just getting a strip and I just pull it. So you see on the back, it's like a nice piece of a stick. This time I'm not gonna use the whole strip, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut half. I don't need the whole strip. This one I'll save it for later. And then I have the silicone pad here, but you can put it on your tile as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it in the silicone pad, and there goes. Now we're gonna use the ultra speed Promade fans. This one comes like this. So basically, with your tweezers, you get you say it comes like in a strip. So sometimes I help myself with the hand, put it back, and then you see like it doesn't stick. It doesn't have a stick on the back, so that's why we need the silicone pad, because it will help us to maintain the lashes in place. So with this one, we just put it in the pad like this, and we tap it a little bit, and that's it. It will stick. Now we're gonna go with the loose Promade fans. So these ones, they come like this. They look like little spiders, so cute. So they're loose. Basically, you just have to organize them in the silicone pad. So what I do is I get like a bunch of them first and put it in the silicone pad. Then as I work alone, I can organize them, but sometimes if I have the time, I will just place them like in order. So you get them from the tips. Try not to do it too hard because you don't want to destroy your fan, right? This is how I do it, and then they look organized and ready to be baked. So the difference between the three is like the ones that have the glue on their back, it's very easy to apply. Like it comes like in a big book collection, so you can apply it in the tile, right? With the ultra speed, the good thing is that they come like a lot of them in different sizes in a form of like a strip, but it doesn't have the glue on the back. So basically we always will need like the silicone pads. So on the loose version, we have like around 500 lashes, like fans of the same size. So basically it's a lot of fans in one little container. So those ones you just organize it there, but again, you need the silicone pad to put them in place. So now I'm going to show you how to use them, like how to pick them from the thread. Okay. So first, obviously, we're gonna isolate the lash. This is my thing I always do. Okay. So when we're doing from the strip lashes, like either the Promade or the book, I always like to get them from the tip. I put them up, and then I let them go, and then I place them again in the strip. And the strip, like from the Promade, is different than the Ultra Speed. So I put it there, I let it go, and then I organize it so I can pick it up faster. Then I dip it in the glue, and then I go from the bottom. Sometimes you can do from the bottom, from the top, or from the side. So in this case, I'm gonna do from the bottom. I place the lash from the bottom, I organize it, and then I let it go. So now I'm gonna show you guys with the Ultra Speed. So you get it, and then I put it on the silicone. I organize it like I organize how I wanna pick it up. Then I place it in the glue, and this time I'm gonna do it from the side. Then I just let it go. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to let us know what your thoughts are in using Promade fans in the comments below. Don't forget to check our website for all the products mentioned. There will be a link in the description box, as well as our training kits. As always, like, share, and subscribe. See you next time!